The Dragon Formula Racing Team is a student club, a student organization that was formed about a year and a half ago to allow students to participate in this Formula student design competition. This is a competition that started about 40 years ago, and it's run by SAE, the Society of Automotive Engineers. It's a competition in which university students, for the most part, compete as teams in building from scratch a Formula-style vehicle, and then bringing that vehicle to compete with other schools.
As much as it is you want to build this awesome car and compete and you want to win these challenges, at the end of the day, the spirit of the competition is to learn to grow as a person as far as skills go. It's a great resume item. It's a great way to get plugged into different companies. Obviously, there's tons of sponsors. Even at the events, there are a ton of sponsors for teams. Companies looking for people that they would want to bring on board, because it's definitely a big concentration of people that are really passionate about what they do.
I moved to Maryland in 2018, and started school here again after a bit of an academic hiatus. And I didn't really know anybody here. And then it was really that first intro to engineering class where I was able to meet a bunch of people that I'd go on to make a ton of friends with. They liked me enough to ask me if I wanted to join them on the team. The guys here have been more than just coworkers or project members. They are my friends. Made tons of memories, lots of experiences with them. Yeah, they're a fantastic group of people that I will forever cherish.
This picture on top here is kind of the inspiration, and kind of our dream is to see HCC's car in that lineup. We didn't quite get there this year, but we did go through some of the earlier parts of the competition, like the design competition and some of the technical presentations.
In our design event, we beat Duke. That was cool. That's a big deal.
We're talking about a group of 5 to 10 students working in some difficult times this past year, able to get a vehicle to the point where the chassis is complete, and many of the suspension and electrical components are also complete and ready to mount.
The current status of the vehicle is there are a lot of sub-assemblies or sort of sub-parts that need to go on to the main thing. We've been working a lot, getting a lot of the small nitty-gritty bits, working out the details, hammering out any imperfections in the small components. And so we're kind of on the medium parts right now, and we're getting those medium parts onto the car, getting everything assembled, getting everything attached.
All the welds look like they had good integrity. All the mechanicals look really good on the car, and the rendering of the body looks really nice. And I think the students have all learned a bit along the way, and that's displayed in the current state of the project. I mean, it's very well done.
I'm just extremely impressed with what this team has accomplished. These students at a young age have done something that would be a challenge for a seasoned engineer to pull off. And so I just want to thank them for getting this started. It's a major accomplishment to get a team like this started at an institution. And so this is a great starting point for the second year team who can take this hardware and the design, even the designs that are still on paper, but most of them are already fabricated, and go into the assembly and testing phase. I'm just looking forward to next May and having our vehicle lined up next to all the other vehicles from universities, including our neighboring universities, like College Park and UMBC. That's really a dream of all of ours on this team, and part of this project is to have HCC's logo lined up right next to all the other institutions, and so that's what we're working toward, and I have no doubt that we'll be able to accomplish that next year.